Finding a new house is a big adventure, full of excitement, nerves, and 1,000 little decisions. It's not just about bricks and mortar. It's about finding a place to call home, a space where your next chapter begins. Whether you're moving across town or across the country, the journey can feel overwhelming at times. That's where your real estate agent comes in. They're your rocket to get there, propelling you forward and helping you navigate the unknown. With their expertise, you don't have to go it alone. They're your guide, your map, and your co-pilot, making the journey smooth and fun. They know the shortcuts, the scenic routes, and how to avoid the potholes along the way. With a great agent, you'll feel supported at every turn. For sellers, a great agent is your showman, showcasing your home, attracting buyers, and getting you a fair price. They know how to highlight your home's best features and create a buzz that gets people talking. Without a good agent, your home might just sit there, unnoticed, blending into the background while other properties steal the spotlight. The right agent makes sure your home stands out from the crowd. It's a partnership, a team effort to reach your goal. You're not just hiring someone, you're choosing a teammate who's in your corner, ready to tackle challenges together. When things get tricky, like a leaky tap or picky buyers, a good agent stays calm and sorts it out. They're problem solvers, negotiators, and sometimes even therapists, smoothing out bumps in the road so you don't have to stress. They're your steady hand, keeping the adventure on track, steering you through rough waters and celebrating the smooth sailing. The right agent turns a stressful maze into a pleasant stroll, helping you find clarity when things get confusing and making the process feel less like a puzzle and more like a walk in the park. Choosing an agent is the first step in your property adventure. It's about trust, communication, and finding someone who truly gets what you want. It's about finding someone who understands your dreams, whether you're buying or selling. The right agent listens, asks questions, and helps you turn those dreams into reality. The right agent is the difference between a muddle and a smashing success. They're the secret ingredient that makes everything come together. They'll celebrate with you when you get the keys or close the sale, sharing in your joy and making the moment truly special. So, take this decision seriously. It sets the tone for your whole journey. The right agent will be with you from the first handshake to the final signature, guiding you every step of the way. Find a partner who's as invested in your success as you are, someone who's ready to go the extra mile and make your property dreams come true. Let's get it right from the start. Choose your best mate in real estate and let the adventure begin. Picking an agent is a lot like searching for that perfect pair of trousers, something that fits you just right, not too tight, not too loose. You want someone who understands your needs and makes you feel comfortable every step of the way. Experience is essential. Seasoned agents know the shortcuts, the best strategies, and how to handle surprises that might pop up during your search. They've seen it all and can guide you smoothly through any bumps in the road. Local knowledge is pure gold. Your agent should know the best streets, the top schools, and those hidden gems that only locals talk about. They can point you toward neighborhoods that match your lifestyle and needs. Communication is crucial. You want someone who listens to your concerns, explains things clearly, and keeps you updated at every stage. A great agent makes sure you never feel left in the dark. The right agent should make you feel at ease, like you're chatting with a friend over coffee, not sitting through a stiff business meeting. Trust and comfort go a long way. Enthusiasm is key. An agent who truly loves their job will go the extra mile for you. Their passion shows in every interaction, making the process more enjoyable. Their positive energy can turn what might seem stressful into something fun and productive, helping you stay motivated and optimistic. A passionate agent is more creative and determined to get you results, always thinking outside the box to find solutions and opportunities. That extra spark of dedication and creativity can make all the difference when it comes to finding your dream home. So, choose someone who's genuinely excited to help you on this journey, because the right fit makes all the difference. Meeting an agent is your chance to play detective. Ask about their experience in your area. How many homes have they sold nearby? Sellers, what's their marketing plan? Buyers, how will they find you the right homes? Ask how they'll communicate. Calls, emails, texts. How often? Set clear expectations so you're never left wondering. Always ask for references. Hearing from past clients is the best way to check their track record. The right questions reveal if they're truly the right fit. After your questions, look for subtle clues. Check their website and listings. Are the photos and descriptions top-notch? Notice if they're punctual and prepared for meetings. A good agent listens more than they talk, focusing on your needs. If selling, do they bring data on recent sales? That shows they've done their homework. Professionalism and preparation are key signs. Most importantly, trust your gut. Do you feel comfortable and confident with them? You'll spend a lot of time together, so chemistry matters. The right agent feels like a true partner. Today's agents have all sorts of tools: photos, virtual tours, email alerts. A good agent uses these to give you an edge, not just for show. For sellers, look for agents who use professional photography and creative marketing. For buyers, make sure they set up instant alerts for new listings. But fancy tech is only useful if it's used well. Ask for real examples of their results. The best agents blend technology with personal effort, calls, open houses, and real connections. It's not about the flashiest gadget, but how they use it to help you. Balance of tech and personal touch is the winning formula. Watch out for the not-so-good agents, the Feathers McGraws in disguise. These sneaky characters might look the part, but their actions tell a different story. They're experts at blending in, but if you know what to look for, you can spot them before they cause you trouble. One major red flag is when an agent doesn't listen to your needs and keeps showing you the wrong properties. Instead of helping you find your dream home, they waste your time and leave you feeling frustrated. Another warning sign is a pushy agent who pressures you to make decisions quickly without giving you the space to think things through. Buying a home is a big deal, and you deserve time to consider your options. If an agent promises you unrealistically high prices or guarantees results that sound too good to be true, be suspicious. They might just want your business, not your best interests. Disorganized agents who are late to meetings or constantly lose important paperwork can create chaos and stress. You need someone who respects your time and handles details with care. A reliable agent brings calm to the process, not confusion. They're organized, attentive, and always prepared, making your experience smoother from start to finish. The best agents are honest, realistic, and always put your interests first. They communicate clearly and never make promises they can't keep. Don't settle for someone who makes you feel rushed, ignored, or undervalued. You deserve an agent who listens and supports you every step of the way. Look for professionalism and trustworthiness at every step. A good agent is transparent, reliable, and earns your confidence through their actions. The right agent makes your home buying journey smooth, enjoyable, and stress-free, helping you find not just a house, but a place you're truly happy to call home. Choosing an agent is a big deal, like picking the pilot for your rocket. Look for experience, local knowledge, and great communication. Ask smart questions, check references, and watch for red flags. Notice the little clues. Are they on time? Do they listen? Are they organized? Most importantly, trust your gut. Do you feel comfortable and confident? This person will be your partner in a huge decision. Take your time, do your homework, and listen to your instincts. The right agent is the first step to a happy ending. Now your adventure awaits.